LG was once a well-known player in the smartphone market, but in 2021, LG closed their mobile division, leaving the LG V60, the LG Wing, the LG Velvet, the last smartphones that they had. So why is the LG community so fired up about an LG comeback in 2025? Well, look, I'm a huge LG fan. But I don't think that these reports of the LG comeback is not what you think. Let's talk about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So as you know, I'm a huge LG fan that carries an LG V60 as one of my daily drivers. But I'm not sure that we need to get hyped up here. So what happened? Why all of a sudden everybody hyped up over LG stories? Well, there was an article dropped a few days ago about a 2023 patent that was filed by LG that was just released in 2024. Now, in this patent, it's documentation and schematics of a rollable display device that I assume LG was working on. Now, as you know, LG has showcased a rollable smartphone at CES in 2021, but unfortunately, LG canceled this project and did not release this rollable smartphone. Now, only a few privileged people had got their hands on this device. I didn't get it. Wish I did, but I didn't get it. But this device was not released, which brings me to the question of why. Why would LG make a comeback now? Why would LG come back in the game after almost 3 years? And why would LG make a very expensive device as a comeback device? It makes no sense. Why would LG not make a successor of the LG V60, the LG Wing, the LG Velvet? Why not release those devices? Why release a very expensive device that we know that a very small percentage of people can afford? Just calling it how it is. It's an ultra premium rollable device, and it will be crazy expensive. And guess what? It would be DOA if LG launched that device in 2025. It may be a great device, but it don't matter. It would get destroyed by the internet. Plus, look, if LG made a comeback, why are we not hearing anything from LG? There's no rumors, there's no leaks, there's no one on the internet has no type of inside information about LG comeback. I mean, come on now, Apple can't even control their leaks and inside information. So why nothing from LG themselves? Now look, if LG made a huge comeback, they would probably be sending teaser videos, they would be posting snippets on social media, but nothing. We got one patent that was made in 2023, nothing else. Look, I'm a huge LG fan, and if I know and I felt that LG was making a comeback, I would be making a bunch of videos and hyped up about it. But I don't believe it. I don't believe LG is coming back. Look, they stuck to their promise by updating their latest devices up to 2023, which they did. Think about it. LG smartphone world has been shut down. There's no updates, no security patches, no OS updates on their current devices. We have to face the facts that LG is not coming back. Look, to rise again in 2025, LG would have to rethink their strategy, focus on innovation and marketing. Look, the brand needs to invest in smart people. That's one thing they got to do to fix a number of their issues. Exploring new technology and features that set their devices apart from the competition. That's what they got to do. Look, LG would have to create a buzz and excitement around this brand. I mean, this company needs to be stronger. It needs to have an online presence. It needs to leverage social media. It has to be this all over the place in order to reach a wider audience. But I don't think LG gonna do that. Look, the brand has struggled to keep up with the competition. This is why they're not here today. And listen, as we headed into 2025, the question on everybody's mind that's LG fans, look, can LG rise again? To me, I don't think so. Can they rise again? I don't think so. Hopefully I'm wrong. But you know what? Tell me what you think. Let's have a discussion down in the comments below, right? Can LG rise again in 2025? Am I wrong? Share your thoughts down in the comments below. I love LG. I'm a huge fan of LG. I carry LG devices today. I go through the internet and a lot of people have been sending me articles about a huge comeback that from LG. I don't think LG is making a huge comeback, y'all. And I'm a huge LG fan, but I don't believe LG is making a huge comeback. Let me know down in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.